We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. To discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that you the talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that get pose like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry yo. I need to go and shayo. 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 I dey put a cut when them kill Obama. I dey try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remake could have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani cat churu achuru. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani cat churu achuru. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do?
When you got a custom made, it fits.
You will be my wife and we'll get it right. We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye yo, bye yo, to the love of my life, my ayo. Don't cry yo. I need people and shayo. 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 I need people and
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only feel like months. Life move fast and you been where you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What else? But what do you want?
I don't know.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only feel like months. Life move fast and you been where you want. At this time, doing what I 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 want. At this time.
y'all. So this is how my hair came out. It came out really cute and simple. I've been seeing this little trendy look on Instagram, so I wanted to give it out a try because your girl is about to be 25, so grown and sexy. But I love it, y'all. I kind of like struggle with the back part, but other than that, it is really cute. Baby hairs is still cute on this side with the little bang. I may cut this, but I don't want to because I know I may still wear this wig and I don't want it to be cut just to style like, just to wear like this. But other than that, y'all, that is pretty much it. But this look, my birthday is tonight, well slash tomorrow, so your girl is about to be 25, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Sorry I was like not talking through this video because I need to, you know, have all my attention doing this. But yes, y'all, I will see you guys in the next video, and be sure to tell me happy birthday.